Caroli Omondi.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I did raise this matter on October 6th. Actually, it was my first statement in this House on the question of which of the coalitions was majority party in this House. The courts have made that decision somewhat by not declaring, but by giving the indication as to how the process should be done. I think we should frame our issues in terms of 5 questions. On the question of what is majority party, it is not for the court, it is not for the speaker to decide. It is not even for this House to debate and decide. Our standing orders clearly provide the mechanism of determining which is the majority party in this House. The clerk writes to the registrar of political parties. The registrar of political parties gives us a return based on IEBC election results. And on the basis of the letter from the registrar of political parties, this House gets to know which is the majority party. That is the position in law. That is the position in law. And that is what I raised on October 6, 2022. And that is the path we must go back to. That is the path we must go back to. It is not for the courts, it's not for the speaker, it is not for this House to debate or decide the majority party. Second question is who the majority leader or the minority leader is. By dint of this decision, as we speak today in this House, there is neither a majority leader nor a minority leader. By dint of that decision. And again, our standing orders and the Constitution provide a pathway. We have, as coalitions, must hold elections and bring minutes tabled in this House to determine who the majority leader is, who the minority leader is. That has not been done. So there is no majority leader, there is no minority leader today. My friend Kimani Chungwa is out of work, Junet Mohammed is out of work. The third question is the question of the import of this judgment on the position of the Speaker. The position in law is that the Speaker was elected by a majority of members of this House. This decision does not affect your position. Number 4, the question of the constitution of the committees of this House. We cannot even proceed to constitute the House Business Committee today because we neither have a majority or a minority leader. We have to determine those questions first before we go forth and constitute committees of the House. Finally, the impact of this decision on the previous decisions of this House. None. Whatever was done then in good faith holds. We must now proceed and write to the registrar to tell us who the majority party is. That is the position in law. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Majority leader for